Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Here's a clear, structured breakdown of right party contact rate, RPC, in a contact center. Let's start with the definition of right party contact rate, or RPC. RPC is a key metric in outbound contact centers, whether in collections, telemarketing, or sales. It measures the percentage of outbound calls that successfully reach and engage with the intended contact person, the right party. In simple terms, it shows how effective your dialing efforts are and how strong your data quality is. Are your agents truly connecting with decision makers? Or are they wasting time on wrong numbers, voicemails, gatekeepers, or disconnected lines? That's why RPC matters. It's not just about making calls, it's about making the right connections that drive business outcomes. Now let's look at the formula for right party contact rate, or RPC. RPC is calculated as the number of right party contacts divided by the total outbound calls attempted multiplied by 100. Here's what that means in practice. Right party contacts are the calls where the intended customer, debtor, or decision maker is actually reached. Total outbound calls attempted includes everything: wrong numbers, no answers, busy signals, voicemails, or calls answered by someone other than the intended party. This formula ensures that our RPC reflects true dialing effectiveness, not just how many calls were made, but how many connected with the right person. Let's walk through an example scenario to see how our RPC works in action. Imagine a campaign with 10,000 outbound calls attempted. Out of those, 4,000 calls were connected, meaning someone picked up the phone. But only 2,500 of those connections were right party contacts, where the intended customer was actually reached. Using the formula, that's 2,500 divided by 10,000 multiplied by 100, an RPC of 25%. Put simply, out of every 100 calls made, only 25 reached the correct, intended customer. This illustrates why our RPC is such an important measure of dialing effectiveness and data quality. Now let's look at one of the key components of right party contact rate, data quality and accuracy. First, valid numbers. Having clean, accurate, and regularly updated contact lists directly improves our RPC because agents spend less time on wrong numbers or disconnected lines. Second, CRM integration. When your dialing platform is fully aligned with your CRM, agents always have the correct and most recent customer information. This reduces wasted dials and ensures outreach is targeted and efficient. And third, in collections specifically, skip tracing. By updating debtor phone numbers through external sources, contact centers can improve accuracy and raise their RPC performance. The bottom line, the stronger your data quality, the higher your chance of reaching the right customer, and the more effective your campaigns become. Another critical driver of right party contact rate is your dialing strategy. First, the dialer type. Predictive, preview, and power dialers each impact our RPC differently. Predictive dialers maximize volume but may reduce quality, while preview dialers give agents context for each call, improving accuracy. Power dialers strike a balance between the two. Second, call time optimization. Reaching customers at the right time of day, when they are most likely to answer, can significantly boost our RPC. AI tools now make it possible to predict these ideal dialing windows with precision. And third, retry logic. Instead of randomly redialing, Intelligent redial strategies determine the best intervals and frequency for callbacks. This reduces wasted attempts and increases the chance of reaching the right person. The key takeaway: an optimized dialing strategy ensures that every attempt works smarter, not harder, raising RPC while minimizing effort and cost. Another key factor shaping right party contact rate is compliance and regulations. First, do not call lists. These restrict certain numbers from being dialed. While they lower the potential RPC, they are essential for staying compliant and protecting the organization from penalties. Second, TCPA and GDPR rules. These regulations place limits on outreach frequency, call methods, and customer privacy. While they may reduce achievable RPC levels, they ensure campaigns remain safe and compliant. And third, consent management. This ensures that only customers who have opted in or given valid consent are dialed, protecting both compliance and customer trust. The bottom line: compliance may reduce RPC in the short term, but it safeguards long-term sustainability, reputation, and financial security. Let's now look at agent and process factors that directly influence right party contact rate. First, gatekeeper handling skills. In many B2B and high-value campaigns, receptionists or assistants stand between the agent and the decision-maker. Skilled agents who know how to navigate these interactions increase the likelihood of reaching the right party. Second, scripting. A strong, well-crafted opening script reduces hang-ups and helps capture customer attention quickly. The right words at the start of a call can make the difference between a lost opportunity and a meaningful conversation. And third, language and regional matching. When customers are connected with agents who speak their language fluently or understand their cultural context, engagement levels rise and our PC performance improves. The key takeaway: even the best dialer and data won't deliver results without skilled agents, effective scripts, and the right customer-agent match. Finally, let's consider external and market factors that can influence right party contact rate. First, customer availability. Work schedules, holidays, and even lifestyle patterns all affect when customers are reachable. Calling at the wrong time can significantly lower RPC. Second, economic conditions. In collections especially, when customers face financial stress, they may intentionally avoid calls, leading to lower right party contacts. And third, technology barriers. Tools like call screening, spam tagging, and robocall blockers make it harder for agents to get through, reducing RPC even when the data is accurate. The key point here is, some factors are outside the contact center's direct control. That's why RPC targets must account for customer behavior, market realities, and evolving technology landscapes. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.